Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will continue my explanation about Florida offshore injuries layers. In the previous video, I explained about Jones Act damages. Okay, I will continue. However, Jones Act claim can provide you with substantially more money. Under the Jones Act, you can recover for economic and non-economic damages, including the following. The first, medical bills, and then rehabilitation expenses, lost wages, loss of future wages, pain and suffering, mental anguish, and loss of enjoyment of life. An offshore injury lawyer can help you calculate damages based on your financial and emotional harm. Then, your lawyer will negotiate with the insurance company in an effort to win you maximum compensation if a settlement cannot be reached. Then, a lawsuit will be filed. A lawsuit will be filed and the decision will be left up to a jury to decide fault and then damages. Jones Act, wrongful death. If your loved one died offshore, you might bring a wrongful death lawsuit under the Jones Act. The personal representative of the victim estate files the action, and the proceeds of the lawsuit go to the family. Whether you can bring a wrongful death lawsuit under the Jones Act depends on the victim location at the time of the accident. And then, death on the High Seas Act. If the victim was working more than 3 nautical miles off the coast of the U.S. and its territories, the Death on the High Seas Act or DOSA controls the lawsuit. Florida is unique since its territorial waters extend to the shoreward edge of the Gulf Stream. Under the DOSA, the family members of the victim killed in a vessel and aviation accident that occurred on the high seas can file a claim. DOSA doesn't include workers killed on drilling rigs and platforms. Instead, the Outer Continental Shelf Land Act applies to those claims. DOSA damages only those who were financially dependent on the victim may seek financial damages under DOSA, unlike Jones Act claims. DOSA claims are limited to financial damages only. The plaintiff will not be compensated for loss of support, mental anguish, companionship, or bereavement. Instead, the damages may include the following: loss of current or anticipated financial support and contribution, and then loss of economic benefits, household expenses, funeral expenses, and care of dependents. To have a successful claim, you must prove that either the vessel owner, the employer, or a crew member was negligent and caused the victim's death. A knowledgeable offshore injury attorney can help you evaluate the offshore accident circumstances and advise you on available legal options. Our offshore injury lawyers in Florida can help. When you experience a catastrophic offshore injury or the death of a loved one, you need the best maritime injury attorneys in the business. You'll find experienced, passionate attorneys who are committed to personalized service at Crossman Attorney at Law. Here are some more things you should know about our law firm. We have successfully litigated seaman claims in state and federal court. We have brought maritime law claims on behalf of longshoremen and oil rig workers on the outer continental shelf before the Department of Labor, and the Office of Administrative Law Judges throughout the United States. And then the third, we handle cases in all distinct offices and before administrative law judges in all jurisdictions. And number four, we are known for responsiveness, thoroughness, investigative and negotiating skills, and accessibility to our clients. We go to any location and are available at night on the weekend. We have a successful record of settling claims and winning at trial. We focus only on injury law and insurance disputes. And then we subscribe to cutting-edge services that allow us to research potential expert witnesses and unusual medical conditions. And we charge no attorney fees or legal costs until we recover compensation for you. And then to find out more about our law firm and how we can help you, contact us for a free consultation. We'll discuss your situation and share legal strategies for the recovery of damages. And then facts. When we meet with offshore injury victims, we often hear this question. The first question, why do I need a Florida offshore injury lawyer? Okay, the answer is maritime law differs significantly from land-based personal injury and employment law. For instance, the Jones Act allows you to sue a maritime employer while land-based employees covered by workers' compensation can sue. You need an offshore injury lawyer who understands the complicated nature of maritime law. After an offshore accident, there are many steps and moving pieces as part of filing a claim. Let us handle this for you. Our maritime injury lawyer can help you with all aspects of your claim, including completing required paperwork, and then assisting you giving necessary statement to your employer, and then conducting an in-depth investigation into the incident, and then analyzing your employer's investigation and findings, and then preserving evidence for your claims, and then evaluating the amount of damages you may be entitled to and negotiating a fair compensation amount. Now is the time for you to focus on your recovery. We will take care of the legal process and keep you informed of updates to your case. And then the second question, how long do I have to file a Florida offshore injury claim? Depending on the type of claim, you generally have 3 years to file. The Uniform Statute of Limitation for Maritime Tort imposes a 3 years deadline and applies to the following. The first, maritime tort, and then claims based on unseaworthiness of a vessel, and then Jones Act claims, and the last, death on the High Seas Act claims. Maritime tort are accidents that occur on navigable waters and are substantially related to a traditional maritime activity. Claims based on the unseaworthiness of a vessel are where the victim goes after the vessel's owner for the financial compensation. For maintenance and care claims under general maritime law, there is no applicable statute of limitation. However, courts typically apply the same 3 years deadline. There are many nuances and exceptions to the filing deadlines. You should discuss your case with a maritime accident lawyer as soon as possible to preserve your right to compensation and justice. And then, how long will my case take? There is no set timeline on when a maritime injury case will be resolved. Not only is every accident different, but so is every employer, state, and occupation. A variety of factors impact the time it takes, such as the complexity of the incident, the severity of your injuries, the damages being sought, and the cooperation of all parties. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. See you next video, and bye bye.